Today we are going to see how to integrate WordPress to our GoDaddy web hosting, or to the to the website where we have hosted our website to GoDaddy web hosting. So let's see. In this series we are going to focus on these 5 points. In this we are going to see how to create a domain into our cPanel, into our hosting, or into our GoDaddy web hosting to match the existing domain. Suppose I have an ingrati.com web domain and I want to point my data to that web hosting, or point my WordPress website to that domain. So far we need to create the ingrati.com in our cPanel where we have GoDaddy web hosting. So where I have created the ingrati.com, and in this ingrati.com I have file system like this: public HTML ingrati. As you know about the public.html, so here in this public directory I have the multiple directories like this: ingrati.com, kapaleshwaraproduction.com, and travel with touring talkies. So I have these many sites hosted into this single web hosting. We can say this is a shared web hosting where I have shared the 3 websites over here. That we have to create ingrati.com, kapaleshwaraproduction.com, and travelwithtouringtalkies.com, where the short simplex is the main domain of this website, of this web hosting. So in this, as you are seeing that in this ingrati folder, ingrati.com folder, I have installed all my WordPress file. So as for now, in this so in first point we have to create the domain into our cPanel, which is going to point to the ingrati.com. So, and into that, how to install WordPress to that existing GoDaddy web hosting. So now we are going to see how to install, like I have shown you, how to install these much files, this WordPress file, into our existing domain. So as we seen how to create cPanel domain to match the existing domain. After that we are going to see how to install WordPress to that existing GoDaddy website web hosting. So in this we are going to see how to install WordPress into that web hosting. So this is there is some process that we are going to see in the videos. So third point is we are going to cover is how to copy a demo or set up new website to our existing GoDaddy website hosting using ThemeGrill. Okay, ThemeGrill is a plugin, is a WordPress plugin which allows us to copy any other website theme, a WordPress theme, to our existing website. Okay, there are lots of themes that ThemeGrill provide us to copy into our website. Okay, after that we will see how to install plugins. Actually this should be the third point: how to install the plugins into WordPress GoDaddy website hosting. By installing the plugins, ThemeGrill also a plugin which will allow us to copy another theme into our WordPress website. And the last one is how to edit and change the website data and images with the editor. So after copying another theme into our own website, then we are going to change that according to us, because when we copy another website, that website has its own images, its own data, its own heading, its own logos. So we have to change as per our requirement. So let's see. So in the next series we are going to see these 5 points. Thanks for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe to Pseudocode's YouTube channel. Thank you.